You know, why I want to say this, if you are observant now, which I have now over a period of time I have acquired that skill, is that you can actually make out. With another friend, my friend's son, he recently bought a flat. Okay, I just want to tell you a story. So he went to, it's okay. He bought a flat from a second sale flat in Bowdhan, 3 BHK flat. Price was agreed. Okay, price was 84 lakhs. And he told me, Kaka, will you come for the first meeting just to say everything is okay. So we went to meet that guy because they were staying there, old couple. So he said, how much money you are giving as a token money? He said, 1 lakh rupees. So I asked that fellow that, what do you do? He says, I was a builder. That guy who was selling the flat. He was otherwise a nice guy, old man, about 67, 80. Okay. So I told Rohit, don't pay 1 lakh rupees, pay him 25,000 rupees. He said, why? I told him he will change his word. What do you say? He's a very nice fellow, now Joshi hai. How can I do that? बोला आणि ओल्ड आहे खूप गुड गाईज आणि आम्हाला चहा पोहे पण खायला घातले सगळं झालं. आय टोल्ड हिम नो आय डोंट थिंक सो आय हॅव अ फिलिंग नाही म्हणे आता आमचं ऑलरेडी ठरलं आहे ओके आता आय कॅनॉट चेंज इट टू 25,000 ओके ठीक आहे. So I told him don't do 2 parts deal. I told him do it in 1 part. There is a way to do it. Instead of doing agreement to sale and then again deed of assignment, there is a new method in HDFC Bank that you do only 1 agreement, then he gets the entire check along with your check in one go, and then they sign, the flat becomes yours. So he cannot change in between. So I told him, this is how we'll do. He says, no problem, this, that. So in 3 months time, that deal didn't happen. You know what happened? Then he said, no, but it actually belongs to my son. That son is in Scotland. Okay. So I told him, okay, your son is in Scotland, then do you have a power of attorney? But but it is not, originally is not with me. But originally is my another son who stays in Mumbai. Okay, so I'll get it. Then this happened. He said, what about your income tax TDS? Because he's an NRI flat. So I have to deduct your TDS. So he said, then what happens? Then I said, you apply for income tax waiver. Okay, karto. Now this was because why Rohit was buying a flat, because he wanted to have the benefit of less stamp duty before 31st December. The concessional stamp duty. All that was going on. This was in October. October gaya, November gaya, December gaya. He was not able to get the simple income tax waiver certificate. Then he started telling Rohit all the stories of his misfortune. हो असं झालं तसं झालं माझ्या मुलांनी मला असं केलं मग आता हा एकच मुलगा आहे ऑल दॅट स्टोरीज. सो आय टोल्ड रोहित रिमेंबर वॉट आय टोल्ड यू. ही टोल्ड मी why did you say that? I said construction business is by which people become like that. You understand? The profession makes them like that. उसमें क्या है झूठ बोलने के लिए? वो झूठ बोल दिया नाही बोलेंगे नाही झालं एवढं काय करताय. You see, go and meet any builder. So उसमें क्या है 2 महिने नहीं होणार आहे ना फ्लॅट मग कशाला काळजी करताय 2 महिने गेले अहो ते अजून ते ओसी अजून व्हायचं आहे ना तुम्ही थांबा ना एवढं काय आपण प्रॉपर बिल्डिंग करू ना. ही विल बी व्हेरी स्वीट विथ यू. जोशी कॅरेक्टर वॉज व्हेरी व्हेरी नाईस विथ अस बट दे डोंट गिव्ह any consideration to what promise they make. So he has become by the job he has been doing like that. He thinks nothing wrong in it, that it is affecting other people's lives. But the profession will create traits in you and how you are seen by others, as he said, that are you a dependable guy whom you can trust? Are you trustworthy enough? Will people depend on you? Will you make something good to others? Will you be good to others? Is what matters. Because, it's again, law of karma will play out. He is unhappy because he has been doing like this. This Joshi character was a very unhappy man. I could see that he is distressed. But he does not realize that that is the result of his own being, what he is. You understand? Because he is unhappy within. उसको लगता है दूसरे को झूठ बोलने से ही मैं बहुत शाना हो गया. That is not the case. So it is a function of what you do 9 to 5. Keep that in mind. So whatever you will do, those traits you will become part of, it will be ingrained in you. So be careful in what you do.